Welcome back to Baba Baby! Let's have some fun learning together today!
A is for ant, A is for ox, ah, ah, ah. B is for bear, B is for bag, b, b, b. C is for car, C is for cup, coo, coo, coo. D is for duck, D is for door, da, da, da. E is for elbow, E is for engine, A. F is for fan, F is for fox, G is for garden, G is for gate, goo, goo, goo. H is for house, H is for hippo, ha, ha, ha. I is for insect, I is for igloo, e, e, e. J is for jam, J is for jelly, ch, ch, ch. K is for key, K is for kangaroo, coo, coo. L is for lemon, L is for lamp, ha, ha, ha. L is for mat, L is for lit, L is for net, L is for note, O is for octopus, O is for ostrich, O, O, O. P is for pen, P is for pot. Q is for quilt, Q is for quiz, R is for ring, R is for road. S is for snake, S is for stars. T is for tent, T is for toad. U is for uncle, U is for butt. V is for praise, V is for violin, V, 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 V. W is for wall, W is for web, ooh, ooh, ooh. X is for x-ray, X is for Xmas, case, case, case. Y is for yo-yo, Y is for yogurt, ya, ya, ya. Z is for zip, Z is for zoo, s, s, s. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for bear, sleeping in bed. C is for cat, with a soft little purr. D is for dog, with fluffy brown fur. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming away. G is for grass, green on the ground. H is for horse, running around. I is for ice cream, a cold sweet treat. J is for juice, that is healthy to sweet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, under the sky. M is for moon, shining at night. N is for nest, tucked out of sight. O is for owl, with eyes wide and round. P is for panda, sit on the ground. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rabbit, jumping up and down. S is for sun, yellow and hot. T is for turtle, who likes his spot. U is for umbrella, for rain and wet weather. V is for van, let's go together. W is for watch, telling the time. X is in box, ending the rhyme. Y is for yellow, the color of corn. Z is for zebra, since he alligator. D says duffel ball, B bird and bus. C says cape, cat, cup and cake. D says D for dog, duck, desk and drum. E says A for egg, elephant and engine. F says F for fish, frog, flag and flower. G says G for goat, goose, grape and gum. H says H for hat, house, horse and hand. I says I for igloo, ink and an insect. J jet, jelly, and jump. K says K for kite, key, king, and kettle. L says L for lion, lamp, leaf, and log. M says N for monkey, moon, map, and milk. N says N for nest, nose, net, and nail. O says O for octopus, orange, and on. P says P for pig, pen, pot, and popcorn. Q says quack for queen, quilt, and quack. R says O for rabbit, rat, ring, and rainbow. S says S for sun, star, snake, and spider. T says T for tree, tiger, table, and train. U says U for umbrella, up and under. V says V for van, vest, and violin. W says whip for watermelon, watch, and window. X says keeks for box, fox, and axe. Y says yo for yellow, yak, and yo-yo. Z says Z for zebra, so, and zipper. Now we know the sounds of the ABCs. Crawl, crawl, crawl to the big bright gate. Open it up, we can hardly wait. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. Welcome, baby, to the ABC Zoo. A is for alligator, snapping his jaws. B is for bear with fuzzy big paws. C is for camel with a bump on his back. D is for deer, walking on the track. E is for elephant, nose so long. F is for fox, singing a song. G is for giraffe, reaching the sky. H is for hippo, saying hi. Oh, it's magic, the ABC Zoo. So many animals waiting for you. Clap your hands and look around. Best adventure we have found. I is for iguana, sitting in the sun. J is for jaguar, ready to run. K is for koala, climbing a tree. L is for lion, roaring at me. M is for monkey, swinging so high. N is for narwhal, swimming nearby. O is for otter, splashing in the pool. P is for penguin, looking so cool. Q is for quail, quiet and sweet. R is for rhino, stomping his feet. S is for seal, spinning a ball. T is for tiger, standing tall. Tempo speeds up again. U is for unicorn, magical and white. V is for vulture, taking a flight. W is for wolf, howling at the moon. X is for x-ray fish, swimming to the tune. Y is for yak with fur so deep. Z is for zebra, now it's time to sleep. The gate is closing, wave goodbye. ABC Zoo, under the sky.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P Q, R, S, T, U, V W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?